Hi, I'm Pete Zimowsky with the Idaho Statesman. Hey, I'm down here at the MK Nature Center, and things are really getting rambunctious. It's spring. So let's take a look and walk down this trail. It's really fun to take kids and families along the pathways at the Nature Center, which is located behind the State Fish and Game Office at 600 Walnut Street. Hey, look at this sign coming up right here. There's a lot of information you can get for the kids. Wow, look at these sculptures, man. That's totally awesome. Maybe we can see the real thing, I hope. I'd like to see a great blue heron. But you know, I can show you some trout. You know, it's really cool to be here and just listening to the sounds like the stream running, those honkers over there. If you look closely into the wooded areas, you might see a wood duck. This is one of my favorite places. Check out these fish. You could look at the underwater stream. Oh man, look at that. Wow. Boy, you're getting a fisheye view of this fish. This place can be really crazy in the spring when the geese start to pair up. They can sure make a whole ruckus. Right over there you'll see where beaver have taken their toll. They live here. Actually, they live along the Boise River and they come here to visit and eat. Well, I'm Pete Zimowsky with the Idaho Statesman. Hope you enjoyed the little tour of the MK Nature Center. You got to get down here. This place is crazy.